In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Advanced Features. Over here. Now scroll all the way down to tap on Dual Messenger. Following that, you can clone any of available apps by clicking on gray switcher right next to it. Tap on Install in the pop-up to confirm your choice and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully cloned. But you can also tap on gray switcher next to your separate contact list to enable this option. Then hit Select Contacts. Tap on Add at the top right corner and pick your contacts. Following that, select Done at the bottom. If you want to disable this option, you can click on the same No Blue switcher and confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting OK. Last but not least, to get rid of your cloned app, use blue switcher next to available one and tap on Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!